Messenger just got a new update, letting you manage your chats easily with 3 tabs. Let's see how to find and use this feature. First, ensure your Messenger app is updated to the latest version. Then open the app. Now, pull down on the chat screen, and you will see 3 new tabs appear at the top. The first one is All. It displays every conversation, just like before. If you tap the next tab, Unread, it will show only the messages you haven't opened yet, perfect for catching up quickly. Finally, if you tap the last tab, Groups, it filters out all your group chats, so you can easily find them without scrolling through personal messages. This feature helps you quickly organize and access all, unread, or group messages, saving time and improving chat management. So that's how you can use Messenger's new chat tabs to stay organized and catch up faster.